snow melting system. In places with harsh and long winters, huge sums of money are spent annually on snow removal and frost control. Traditional ways of coping with the effects of winter are effective, but not perfect. The best solution is to install snow melting systems. Basically, they're heated tracks. The snow which falls on the surface melts instantly, and the water does not turn into ice. That way, you don't have to worry about removing snow in winter. The road warms up to the point where you can feel the heat when you touch it. So if you install this system in your backyard, you'll even be able to walk barefoot on it. The video shows the work done by the specialists of Agawip Creations.